Hi children, how are you all? Today we are going to conduct an experiment on synthetic fibers and plastics. This belongs to 8th standard. The aim is to identify thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic by flame test. Let us see materials required. First of all, we have tongs. We need spirit lamp and samples of plastics. Collect small pieces of plastics from the objects like comb, toothbrush, electric switch, piece of melamine of meal's plate, water bottle, now let's see the precautions. Do not burn plastic with bare hands. Do not inhale the smoke while burning. Cover your nose and mouth with a mask. Keep yourself away from spirit lamp flame by stretching your hand. Now let's see the procedure. First of all, take a spirit lamp and light it. Clamp one piece of plastic sample, say piece of toothbrush, with tongue. Place the sample on spirit lamp flame. Now observe the changes during the burning of sample. Similarly, clamp waste water bottle to stand and melt or burn it with the help of spirit lamp. Again observe the changes during the burning of the sample. Note your observations like whether sample is being softened or burnt with smell or become hard, etc. Repeat procedure with other samples of thermosetting and thermoplastics available in the market. Record your observations sample wise in the table. Repeat the procedure with other samples like meals plate, coffee mug, and switch. Record your observations sample wise in the table. Let us see what we have observed. During heating process, the plastic substances will produce fumes and different odors and melts and set in solid mass. Now let's see the conclusion. Thermosetting plastics after heating, they set into a hard mass and they cannot reconverted into soft or original product. Thermoplastics after heating will be softened and get hardened when cooled, and thermoplastics also recycled. Now let us have Viva Voce session. Okay, now I have a question for you children. What are thermoplastics? Does anyone know what thermoplastics are? Okay, I'll tell you. Thermoplastics are polymers that can be melt and recast almost indefinitely. Now I have another question for you. What type of internal structure make difference between thermosetting and thermoplastics? Does anyone know the answer? The answer is the internal structure in thermoplastics is linear and in thermosetting is cross-linked.